here we are going to find what divide the x for what, for the cot inverse. Sorry, for the cot. For the cot. So this is what we are going to find for. So here it's simple. We know that cot x is the same as what? Cos x over what? Sin what? X. Like this. So in place of what? This whole thing, you can put in what? Cos x over what? Sin x. So you're going to get y equal to cos x over what? Sin what? X. That's it. So simple. So here we can use the quotient rule on this one to differentiate this one. So here dy dx is equal to v times du d what? Dx minus u d what? The v what over dx, all divided by what? This. Okay, so you can say that let your u be equal to what? Cos x, then your v be equal to what? Sin what? Sin x. Okay, so that's it. So you come here, what you're going to do next is we find du d what? Dx. If you find du dx from this side, you're going to get what? Minus sin x. If you find dv dx, you're going to get what? Cos x. Okay, so this is it. So simple. When you finish, you just come to what? To the equation, the quotient rule formula. This one. Where you see v, you put in v. Where you see du dx, you put in. Where you see du dx, you put in. So you're going to get the y dx equal to, what is your v? Your v is equal to what? Sin x. What is your du dx? Is what? Minus sin x. Minus, what is your u? Your u is what? Is the cos. So you have cos x times, what is your dv dx? So your dv dx is equal to what? Cos. So you're going to get cos times cos x, all divided by what? Cos x all squared. Simple. So here, if you multiply this one by this, you're going to get what? Sine minus sine square what? X minus this one times this cos square what? X divided by what? Cos x all squared. Okay, then the next one, negative here, we can factor out negative out. So you're going to get negative sine square x plus cos square what? X, all divided by what? All divided by cos x. Let me do it. Cos x all squared like this. Okay, but this whole term you see here is equal to 1 from the trigonometry. This whole term is equal to what? 1. So you can do it as negative 1 over what? Cos x all squared. So that's it. So this one. By this one, you can also write it as negative 1 over what? Cos x all squared. Since 1 raised the power any number is 1, like this. But the 1 in the bracket, this one, 1 over cos x is the same as what? Cosec x. This one is the same as what? Cosec x. So you can say that cosec x is equal to what? 1 over what? Cos x. So in place of what? This whole thing, we put what? Cosec x. So my dy dx is going to be what? Negative 1 over what? Sorry. Cosec x all squared. So at the end, I get negative cosec square x. So that is the differentiation for the pot. This whole thing is the differentiation for the pot. Thank you.